Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'm gonna show you guys how you can unblock people on the PlayStation 5. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on the PlayStation 5 and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find your games and applications. Here in the left, you're gonna find PlayStation Plus and also PlayStation Store. And right here in the top, you're gonna find all of these sections. Here you're gonna find games, media, search, settings, and lastly here you're gonna find your profile icon. So basically guys, right now, if you want to unblock people, it's pretty easy. First of all, go ahead and click on your profile icon. And then once you do that, right here you're gonna find online status, profile, trophies, switch user, and lastly the option to log out from your account. So basically guys, right now, go ahead and click on profile. And then once you do that, right here, you're gonna find all of these sections. Here you're gonna find overview, games, friends, shared. Here you're gonna find online status, share profile, edit profile, and lastly right here, you're gonna find your privacy settings. So basically guys, right now, if you want to unblock people, go ahead and click on privacy settings. And then once you do that, as you can see guys, here you're gonna find all of your privacy settings. Go ahead and scroll all the way down until you find communication and multiplayer. And here under it, you're gonna find players you're blocking. Go ahead and click on it. And then right here, you're gonna find the list that includes all of the players you've blocked. And if you want to unblock them, just go ahead and choose them from the list. Then you're gonna be able to unblock the players. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.